Welcome back. So far, we've learned about basic math operators, also known as arithmetic operators, like addition, multiplication, division, and so on. In this lesson, we'll take it a step further by learning about assignment operators. Assignment operators allow us to update the value of variables in a quick and easy way, which is especially useful when working with numbers or strings in Python. Assignment operators are special symbols in Python that help us set and update variable values. The simplest assignment operator is the equal sign, which assigns a value on the right side to a variable on the left side. We've seen that at work. We've been using this operator right from when we started talking about variables. But Python also has combined assignment operators like plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, division equals, floor division equals, modulus equals, exponent equals. These are the popular ones. These assignment operators let us perform an operation and immediately assign the result of that operation to the same variable in a single step. So let's start with a quick example of the basic assignment operator which you've seen and used severally, and that is the equal assignment operator. This equal assignment operator simply assigns a value to a variable. For example, let's say we want to assign the value of 5 to a variable of number. So we are just going to say number is equal to 5. This is the basic assignment operator equal sign. So if we print, we've done this over and over again. If we print number now, so we are going to have 5 printed into our console. Let's now look at the combined assignment operators, for example, the plus equals operator, which is a shortcut for adding a value to a variable and updating the variable at the same time. For example, let's say we have a variable of number, which is equal to 5 now, and we want to add 5 to the current value of number while setting the results to the same variable. So usually to do this, let's say we want to add 5 to variable. Normally to do this, we are going to say number is equal to the previous value of number, which is 5, then plus the new value we want to add to it. So the current value of number now is going to be 10. Now we can use the combined assignment operator to perform this operation in a single step. So rather than saying number is equal to number plus 5, we can just say the new value of number is plus equals 5. So what this combined assignment operator is going to do is that it is going to add this new value to the previous value, and it is going to update the variable. So now we have 5 as the previous value. At this level, we have plus equals, so it is going to add 5 to the previous 5, which is going to be 10. And then it is going to update the value of the variable to 10. So if we run this now, number is going to be 10. If we say number plus equals 6, so number is going to become 11. So it is going to add 6 to 5 and update the value of the variable. We also have other combined assignment operators like subtraction equals, multiplication equals, division equals, that also works in the same manner as plus equals. Let's try a quick example using each of them. So we have number to be 5. If we say number minus equals 6, okay, this is going to give us a negative value because 6 is greater than 5, so we have negative 1, right? If we say number multiply equals 6, so we are going to have 6 multiplied by 5, and then it is going to update the value of the variable. So we are going to have 30 because we have 5 times 6 is equal to 30, and then 30 is assigned to number. All right, we can also have division equals. Okay, so if we run this, I'm going to have 0.8 recurring 34. So each time the operation is performed, the result is stored in the same variable. Now let's look at two less common assignment operators but very useful. Those are the floor divide equals and modulus divide equals. We have 5 to be a number, so let's use floor divide equals. So you can say let's use 3. So if we run this now, we're going to have 1. This is because 5 divided by 3 is 1, remaining 2. So using floor division is going to get rid of the remainder and it's going to return the floor division value. So that's why we have 1, right? If we use modulus equals, if we run this now, so this is going to perform the operation, which will be 1 remainder 2. It's going to return 2 because 2 is the remainder. All right, so that is modulus equals in action. The last assignment operator we'll be talking about is the exponent equals operator. The exponent equals operator performs exponentiation, raising a number to the power of another number, and it updates the value of the variable in a single step. So we have number to be equal to 5. So we have the symbol of exponent to be double multiplication symbol. So this is going to raise 5 to the power of 3. And that is going to be 125 if I'm correct. And it's going to update the variable of number with 125. So if we run this now, we have number to be equal to 125. What we have here now is the same as saying number is equal to number then exponent 3. So this is the same as this. Let me cut this out now. So if we run this, you are going to see that we have the same answer. So this is a long form of this. That is why we have assignment operators, these combined assignment operators. So in this lesson, we covered assignment operators, which allow us to update variables quickly. In the next lesson, we are going to put what we've learned into practice before going into other data types. See you in the next lesson.